Nestled on the southeastern coast of Australia, Melbourne stands as a beacon of culture, diversity, and innovation. However, in the quiet corners of our communities, many elderly individuals find themselves grappling with the silent burden of loneliness. Whether it's physical limitations or financial constraints, these obstacles can often leave them feeling isolated and unable to partake in simple pleasures. But what if there was a beacon of hope, a gesture of kindness that could brighten their days and lift their spirits? JetStar Technologies, a company dedicated to making a difference in the lives of seniors, is now offering absolutely free window cleaning and assistance for all elderly. Australia's first company dedicated for the needs of community and elderly. Subscribe now for a sparkling offer you don't want to miss. Sign up today and enjoy free window cleaning services courtesy of JetStar Technologies. Don't let dirty windows dull your view. Subscribe now and let us bring clarity and brightness to your home. Contact JetStar now and secure your appointment.